In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from emails in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop newsletters and promotional messages you don't want, using Yahoo Mail's built-in unsubscribe options safely and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. You can also type the address directly if you prefer. When the results appear, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page. Make sure you're on the legitimate Yahoo site by checking the address bar and the security lock icon before you enter any details. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you have extra security enabled, you may be asked to confirm a code. Once you're in your inbox, you're ready to find the sender you want to stop hearing from. Look for a message from the company or newsletter you want to unsubscribe from. A quick way to locate it is to use the search bar at the top of Yahoo Mail. Type the sender's name or email address to bring up their messages. Open one of those emails so you can access the unsubscribe option inside it. It's best to use a recent message since the unsubscribe link is more likely to work. Inside the email, scroll all the way to the bottom. Legitimate senders usually include a clear unsubscribe link in the footer. It might appear as unsubscribe, manage preferences, or update email settings. Click that link. Avoid clicking any unrelated buttons or downloading attachments. You only need the unsubscribe link to move forward. After you click, a new page or a small pop-up may open asking you to confirm. Choose the option that says something like, "Yes, unsubscribe," or "Confirm." Some senders may offer to reduce frequency instead. If your goal is to stop all emails, pick the option that fully unsubscribes you. You might see a confirmation message on the screen, and in some cases, a final email confirming your request. Keep in mind that unsubscribe requests can take a few days to process, and you may receive messages already queued up. If you still see emails after a short period, repeat the same process on a newer message from that sender to make sure it went through. That's it. Open Yahoo Mail, find the sender's email, click unsubscribe at the bottom, and confirm. Repeat these same steps for any other newsletters you no longer want. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your inbox cleaner and more focused.